In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Microsoft Office legally from Microsoft for free. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing, commenting, and liking the video. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to uninstall any Microsoft Office that you have in your computer. Now, to do that, you will go to the taskbar, then go to search, then search for Control Panel. Then open Control Panel. Then this will pop up on your screen. Now you will go to Programs and Features. Click on it. Then here you will be able to search for Microsoft Office. So you'll just press on M. Then you will see the Microsoft Office which has been installed. So as you can see, the one which has been installed, it is Microsoft Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024. So you are just going to select it. Then click on Uninstall. Then Uninstall. So this is going to take a little bit of time. So you're just going to be patient and allow it to uninstall. Now, as you can see, the program has been uninstalled successfully. We'll just close this one. Then you will close Control Panel. Then you can refresh. Once you've done that, you will now open your File Explorer. Go to your File Explorer. Then go to this PC. Then go to Local Disk C. Then here, you are going to create a new folder. So I'm going to create a new folder here. Right click, then go to New, then Folder. Then you can name the folder Office. Then once you've created the folder, you will now minimize this. Then go to your Google Chrome. Then go to Search. And then search for Office Deployment Tool. Office Deployment Tool. Then press on Enter. Then you will go to this link, Download Office Deployment Tool. This is a Microsoft official website, so just click on it. Then it will land you here, so you will scroll down a little bit. Then here you are going to select English, then click Download. So once the file has downloaded, as you can see, now you will go to the file location. You will now select Show in Folder. And as you can see, is the file. So you are going to right click on it. Then Run as Administrator. Then Yes. Then I'll minimize File Explorer. I'll minimize this one. So this pop-up will appear on your screen. So just check the box. Then click on Continue. Then this Browse for folder will appear on your screen. So you are going to select the folder that we are created in Local Disk C. So you'll just go to this PC. Then Local Disk C. Then you are going to see the folder Office here. Now select it. Then click on OK. Then file extracted successfully. Now you are going to click on OK. Then once you've done that, you will now go to the folder. You'll open the folder. Then you will delete this configuration Office 365. Now just right click on it. Then delete. Then after you've done that, you will now minimize this. Then again go back to your Chrome. Then open new tab. Then go to Search and search for Office Customization Tool. Office Customization Tool. It will appear on the search result, so just press on Enter. Then you will choose this first link here. Just click on it. So it will land you here on Deployment Setting. As you can see, Configured Settings. So the result will appear on this side. So here now you need to choose the architecture of your computer. So mine is 64-bit. I'm going to leave as it is. Then scroll down. Then you will select the product that you want. So here we are going to select Office Suites. Now you will click on that drop-down menu. Then you will choose the Office that you want to install on your PC. So I'm going to choose Office Professional Plus 2024. Then scroll down. Then select version, ensure that the version is selected to the latest. Then under apps, you are going to select the apps that you want to include. in your Office deployment. So here I will need Access, I will need OneNote, then PowerPoint and Word. Publisher, I do not need Outlook, and OneDrive, I do not need them. So after selecting that, we will now click on Next. Then for select primary language, we are going to select the language that you want, either English United Kingdom or English United States. So I'm going to select English United States. Then I will scroll down, then click on Next. Then scroll down, then click on Next. Then update and upgrade options. So here you will scroll down, then under upgrade options you are going to close this button. Then you will scroll down, then click on Next. Then automatic accept license terms, you are going to open the button to accept. Then you scroll down under product key, ensure that KMS is selected. Then product activation, ensure that user base is selected. Then you scroll down, then Next. Then now you will scroll down, then click on Next. Then scroll down, then click on Finish. Then once you've done that, we will now export. Click on Export. Then choose this second option, Office Open XML format. Click on it, then click on OK. Then I accept. Then ensure that the file name is configuration, then export. Then the file will be exported. Now once the file has been exported, you will go to the file location. Then here is the file. You need to cut it. Control X to cut it. Then you will go to this PC. Then you will go to local disk C. Then you will go to Office. Then here you are going to paste the file here. Now once you've done that, you will now minimize this one, because we are going to copy this file path. So you will minimize this one first, then minimize this, then go to your taskbar, then go to search, then search for CMD, then run as administrator. Very important. So yes, then this command prompt will appear on your screen. So once this has opened, you will now go to the File Explorer. Then you will go to this drop down. Then to copy this highlighted path, you are going to press on Ctrl C to copy. Then you will minimize this. Then here you are going to write CD. Then paste the path. Then press on Enter. Then once you've done that, you will now go to your Google Chrome. Then open a new tab. Then search for Deploy Office 2024. It will appear on the search results. So just press on Enter. Then this is the link. Just need to click on it. Then once you are here, you will just need to scroll down. Now do not use this one under Download Office. Do not use Setup/Download. Now you will just need to scroll down. This is the one that we are going to use. This one here. So just copy it. Then minimize this. Then Ctrl V to paste it. Then press on Enter. So as you can see, we are getting this ready. And through this process, Microsoft Office is going to be installed. So here you just need to wait and be patient for it to finish. And this depends on the performance of your computer and the speed of your computer. So just let us give it time for it to finish. Now guys, as you can see, the Microsoft 365 and Office apps are installed on your computer. So meaning that the Office has been installed. Now you'll just close this one. Then you'll close this command prompt. Then in order to confirm, you'll go to the search and search for Word. Then you'll be able to see Word here. So just click on Open. And now you can even open a blank document there. Then as you can see, you are good to go. That's how to download and install Microsoft Office from Microsoft website for free. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like, commenting, and subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.